I want to take a look at this product that I recently bought from ARKON Mounts. It's a sticky suction mounting pedestal with disc, and it's for the GPS units, the Garmin. I've been looking for a way to mount my GPS in an alternate fashion rather than the way I had it off of my rear view mirror. And when I went on Amazon, did some searching, I came up with this, and I thought, well, let me give this thing a try. So this is what I had rigged up. I bought this unit here from my thumb back. It's a Ram product. And then I rigged a Garmin GPS mounting thing. I took off the suction cup on it, and then the holes that were in the Ram unit, I anchored it to that, and then this hung off of my rear view mirror with this U-bolt, and then my GPS obviously would anchor here. Now it does obviously obstruct the window, your view, and I've always been okay, but again I thought it's much safer not to have that much real estate on your window blocked. So let's see what you get in the package. So you get directions, should you require that. You get this flat disc that you would peel off this backing, and you could stick it on a surface in which your unit would then suction cup to that. And then you get an alcohol pad to clean the surface off that you're going to attach the disc to if you were using it. Now, this has multiple positions. You would lock it here with that thumb control, and it has click stops. Now let's take this off of this granite plate and see how well this holds. So here's your suction locking device right here. Lift that up. That releases, that would lock it. I'm going to pull up on this tab here. And you're going to see that took a lot of force to come off. I mean, this thing holds excellent. The base is tacky. Not quite sure what's on it. But when you put it down, it stays. And then here's the locking thing here. Very nice product. I used to have my GPS attached to the stem of my rear view mirror, and that worked out. The only thing is, it does obscure your vision where it's hanging down. I have a dash cam, but that's up high. That's not an issue. And so by putting it down here, it's so much better. And I can see my rear view camera, as you can see there from the driver's seat. I can clearly see the rear view camera. I've got my GPS where I can easily get to it, to controls, and see it. And it gives me a nice open windshield. Here we see the mount without anything attached to it. Here you see the mount with the adapter that came with my GPS. And this thing has worked out great. No issues at all. I love this thing. It works perfect. Does an excellent job of holding my GPS. And if we loosen this up, it allows you to position this arm. And of course, you can take that off and rotate it 180 and have it positioned opposite of what you see there, sticking up. But for my purpose, I bring it down like this. So here you see the GPS where it's at. And what I'm going to do is take my other one that I bought, and I'm going to just stick it in this area on the dash just to show you how well this holds. Push it down, just like that. And it's on there. In fact, if you look close, it's actually moving the dash there. Let me get that up there like that and steady it. That's amazing. And then, to take it off, pull that up, and then we'll pull on this. Just like that. It's an amazing mount. Works great.